Hey guys, and welcome back.
This whole ass hand's covering me. Hey.
Today we're at Chick-fil-A.
Anyways, there's some attractive people at Chick-fil-A, and I wouldn't mind, you know. I was gonna be outgoing and be like, hey, can I have your number? Yeah. Oh yeah. He was definitely flirting with all of us, Jacob, even maybe you.
Wait, did I get water? Oh, yeah, I asked.
I don't use straws usually, so when I do, I don't feel too bad. So I'm I already cut down my footprint.
Yeah, I try not to use straws, and I have a metal one.
Sometimes it's just a shame because they already open it up for you and
they have it on it.
And I'm just like,
They already did it for me. It's gonna go in the trash anyways.
Yeah. We try to be good people.
Why can't the other generators fries?
I got a sandwich.
I got a sandwich too.
The Chick-fil-A sandwich, not the spicy one. I never tried the spicy one.
The spicy one's good.
I want to try it. I hear it's really good.
But I got spicy sandwiches from other places that
Burger
are not,
King.
like Burger King, but it's not the best.
I got the cool chicken wrap. Look how pretty it is.
Yeah, that is really that. It's
That is very
pleasant.
pretty. And I also got fries.
I have no lettuce or anything, but I have a simple sandwich.
Yeah, why didn't they give you? I don't know. I just asked for lettuce on mine. And I got no.
I should have asked for lettuce.
Yes, get it back. So Jacob's on TikTok. Make him famous, guys. I mean, there's this hot guy I'm stalking.
But it was the weekend we went to Japan.
I've been stalking this hot guy from TikTok. He's so good looking. I wanna
Oh, there's
so
this one
looking.
black guy who smiles. He's mixed, but when he smiles, it's oh.
So is that all men? I understand.
I don't know. I could have edited that out. But no, it's just black. It's weird.
That out.
Yeah.
Confessions.
Yes, confession time. Tea time in the Chick-fil-A parking lot. I hate everyone.
Me too.
There's too much drama. I'm just trying to live my life, you know? Actually care about them and stuff. I just came for some people. I care.
I think it was an alien.
I love watching the families walk by and then we're just in the car videotaping us eating.
I'm so hungry.
Like some trendy teenagers.
But are we that average?
Oh yeah, I made him start thinking. We were hanging out last weekend, and I was like, "Do you realize how many people that probably like us in the world? Because there's 7 billion people."
Right.
We watch Shane Dawson. I'm saying there's probably a lot of
Well,
people
I
like
shower,
us.
so love you, love you,
too.
Shane Dawson.
But
you
we're more
need
hygiene.
a shower, honey.
Yeah, more hygiene, please.
Yes.
But
His hair's a mess.
Jeffree Star looks so composed, though. Oh God.
But he has to.
He always fucking looks perfect.
And his hair's
He's always but he's literally coming out with lipstick and makeup all the time. So he has to.
It's crazy.
He just came out with
Boyfriend Nate. First of all, hot as fuck. Second of all, we love a man who supports his leading.
Also, Rylan and she,
There's someone
they're
next to
so
us.
cute.
Oh shit.
Do you like Morgan?
Yeah, I like Morgan.
I just think she's
I like her videos. They're
she's
funny.
very relatable because she's not. She doesn't try to be with the trends or anything. She's just there, you know.
Yeah.
We just need you to get famous, and then we can just piggyback off you.
Exactly. You know.
Jacob gets famous out of YouTube.
We're
I get
counting
famous
on
out of
you.
makeup.
Yes, I'll just be there. Oh my god, we take a makeup channel.
I know how to do makeup.
Maybe you start one. You're us.
How to do makeup.
Maybe you start one. These are really nice. I'm staring at you. Fuck off. I mean, pop off. I didn't mean that.
That was funny.
That was hot.
Did you hear it? Oh.
That was really hot.
I
Good juice. That's a lot of loot.
Yeah. You want to try?
Me too.
It's
Low-key me, at night, I'll be freaky and I'll be like,
yeah,
but then I wake up in the morning and I'm like, oh.
I'm like, I don't
really
know.
need to keep.
Exactly, and I'm like, dude, can I really handle that? Yeah, I know, if I had him, I love you, but yeah.
That's okay.
It's hard to handle you.
How?
But I know, I fuck with their fries so much. Look, I can just go to Chick-fil-A and get fries.
I wish it was just a little saltier. No cap.
Don't ever say no cap. Don't ever. No, you. I
think
How do you
they
get
have a
out?
really good amount of salty though.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is, how do you get out of this driveway when it's backed up?
You turn right there. Do you understand?
Directions with Theresa.
I thought it was a lovely spot over here because it's
Lovely.
Got good scenery.
Yeah, okay,
Wait.
wait till this car goes and then like go in reverse to show your backlights and then they might make space for you unless they're a fucking asshole. Oh my god, catch up on myself. I'm so sad.
That's pretty
Yeah,
good.
there is
though. That
space
was
right
pretty
now.
good.
Thanks. I'm so sad.
Go right now while you can.
Speaking of ketchup,
Should I?
we can go anywhere. Honestly, I'm down. Like I'm always like hungry. Like
Oh, I should have went when that
the
truck
past
let me go.
week. You need to be ready.
I have to wait for the car behind me.
To put yourself in reverse, because then that signals people. Ooh, shit, fuck, bitch.
Look at the car behind me.
Sorry.
Look at the car behind me.
What, is it a hot man or an
Oh my
old
god.
man?
No, look at the car behind me.
See, I told you, go now. Go.
They're
right
making
now.
space. I wish I could sing. I wish I was like cool, you know? Like people actually wanted to like, you know, be friends
No,
with me.
I think you're cool. Cool lady.
My ass.
What?
I got scared. Bloody
I feel
nose.
like too far. I need to get out of here. Fucking idiots. Let's go, honey.
I love how I just realized there's a chicken on Chick-fil-A's. See?
There is.
Where the fuck did I put my phone?
Hey guys.
When you have
Be right back.
surround. Chick-fil-A.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're almost at Taco Bell. Or
I thought Taco Bell was the other. No, it's this way. That's so funny, Taco-Filet. Oh my god, what if we open a restaurant like half Chick-fil-A, half Taco Bell?
They have. We're in the drive-thru, even though it's not really a drive-thru.
It is a drive.
There's a car tailgating me. You need to chill.
Literally.
You guys want anything or no?
From Taco Bell? No, I'm saving myself for Starbucks.
I think
Starbucks.
I'm okay, yeah.
So,
Hi, how are you?
hi. Can I just get one chicken burrito with avocado? No, thank you. Thank you.
We love how Taco Bell can feel like a whole family under $20. Yes.
What?
We were saying, like I was saying Taco Bell.
To my car.
Maybe he wants to cook it.
So close.
Okay, that was good.
Just like
You
that.
better back the fuck up.
Yeah.
I
Get
will
out the car,
square up
fight.
with you.
My dad doesn't like this ear. He thinks it's a little bit. But I'm like,
Stick out in the back where it's supposed to be even both ways.
I like it stick out.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I choked up my water.
I cut that out.
You cut out the good parts. That's what I'm waiting for after I get into a college and make YouTube so I can leave all the bad parts in. Because I'm already in, bitches.
What are you in?
And then when I get into college, wherever I go, I'll make a
I'm
YouTube.
not bleeping. I'm just gonna cut. Like,
Yeah, I know.
When we talk about sex.
Let's talk about sex, baby.
Not right now. I probably won't cut this out, but like the other stuff. When it got a little intimate.
So,
No, that's for
We have a
another
sex
day.
tape?
A
Little-
threesome.
You told me you weren't filming.
I filmed. I filmed.
love it's so weird.
Look.
Loki thought this was Michael Jackson.
Oh my god.
I'm down.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
I like it.
Art.
Typical YouTuber thing. Ah, wait for it to focus.
This one.
Wait for it to focus. There you go.
Okay.
Look for a chicken.
Careful, don't hit the pole.
I got it. The thank you.
I ran out of drink.
What?
I ran out of drink. Oh, I know. That's so fire. Just gonna.
I should have got some picture. No, just kidding. Thank you. You know?
Yeah, I know they do pick up.
What?
They shove it in.
Where do we go? Can this person walk any faster?
Maybe.
Maybe. Well, I'll come back.
What?
The car was backing up.
Okay, bye everyone.
Wait, well maybe we'll come back like when I get to Starbucks.
Bye everyone.
Toodle.
You did what?
Hey guys, and we're back. We just got some Starbucks. Matcha.
We're
I'm not gonna. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do the other one as quickly, but. What is this person doing? Hello, sir.
Yeah, just go around.
Okay, I'm just gonna go around. This person's an idiot. I got a matcha green tea latte. It's actually really good.
Strawberry refreshers all the way.
Yeah, but it's like
Strawberry acai.
this is like new.
Yes.
And I've been like really wanting this.
Are we gonna fuck? Yes. Wasted GTA love bitches. We don't know what we want to do. That's your typical teenage life here in Boca. I dropped like a sign on my toe today from like my house, or like a picture or something, and it really hurts. But you know, I'm here living life still. I'm not thriving, but I'm here.
It was a good experience.
Was it weird though? Like
It definitely took 2 days to try to get it in. Pretty nice experience.
it just
You can leave it in for 12 hours.
that's the life. What?
Look,
What's that?
I don't know.
It's reusable, so it's good for the environment. One-time purchase.
Did you see that? Look.
And it's really easy to clean.
I'm scared. Yeah, do you just like dump it? I'm confused.
Yeah, babe.
So basically,
Yes, give us a little fucking snippet. Ladies, this is for you out there.
Oh look.
ladies, I'm wearing one right now.
I don't know what this is. I think it's green tea.
To all the ladies out there, basically my whole period life as a new woman,
Yes.
I've been using tampons. Tampons are expensive. Especially me as a swimmer, I do have to use a lot every single day. That is a big moolah spending, even though I'm spending money on Starbucks, but that he did that. But,
Yes, Daddy Jacob.
Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Yes. So like when you like, do you just like dump it in a sink? I'm confused.
Okay, basically, you fold it, you put it in, it opens up.
Does it like feel different than a tampon? Like is
I
that-
don't feel anything
Okay.
So I like cut
Shit.
this.
throughout the day.
Am I leaving this in? This is kind of weird.
I mean,
You can take
Not
as
really.
much time to like take it off, and like once you take it off, you just dump it, and like it slips right off.
but then rinse it.
Yeah,
But not in the toilet.
but not in the toilet.
You rinse it in the
sink.
sink. Yeah. That's actually pretty cool.
It's a little messy, but like it's something you could do at home since you can leave it in for 12 hours.
Yeah.
all day.
That's true. And then
Yeah.
you only have to do it at home. They're heavy, so they can't do that.
Definitely. Like cups can go from like a small to a large,
That's
and
crazy.
the large is like they're silicone, so they're really like moldable, so it won't hurt at all.
That's actually, damn. You heard it first, ladies. Cups
And
could work.
also, don't be scared. It won't tip over. It'll never leak. It's safer than a tampon, because even if it fills up, it's never gonna leak because it's suction based. So you put it in, there's like a suction, so the period blood goes down the cup, and it just stays on the bottom of the cup the entire time. And then when you take it out, it'll be like a suction, and
You gotta yank
like
that shit.
press it, like to take the suction off, and then pull it out.
And there's
then
like a
you
little
have,
like
the-
stick thing. Maybe. Gotta try it, people.
It's good. Everybody should try it. It's better for the environment
Yeah. Yeah.
and a lot cheaper. Well, because it's reusable.
Yeah, it's like a 1 or 2 purchase in your lifetime, I would say.
Yeah, definitely.
Like, yeah. I feel like you.
Don't be afraid to like try it when you're not on your period. You can use some lube, but not an oil-based lube, a water-based lube.
Yeah. It's true.
Because lube is not always related to sex, everybody.
It's used for many things.
It's used for many medical purposes as well.
You need to sometimes lubricate.
So oil-based lube will damage the cup because it's silicone. So use a water-based lube.
When he tries to bleep us out. You can't stop
Put it out. This is
This
good
is
for all
good,
the ladies
yeah.
out there.
Jacob, a majority of your audience is probably gonna be ladies.
I think it's creepy old guys.
Hi. If any of you have like a lot of money and you're not that ugly, you know, like hit me up. I'm gonna like send you pictures of toes or something.
Yeah,
like,
or
I
like,
don't mind.
Yeah, over the phone, but no FaceTime. Like you can hear my voice.
Just comment down below.
I'll talk to you, but like I also need money.
Yeah.
A girl needs money.
We have aspirations in life. We need some money to do that.
Of course.
No. Hit us up. That was a good TED Talk. Thanks for coming. Okay.
Don't hit us up.
We're not underage. No, dead ass hit me up.
Follow us on Instagram.
Yeah. Right down below.
No.
DM me if you have a good amount of money. Or if you're like young and you have a trust fund. Right here. Let's go. Let's do it. I'll suck ones.
Theresa,
20 and under.
I think I need to cut that out. Talk with him.
Future editing Jacob.
Hey, we fucking hate you. I'm just kidding. You might be sad. You might be like, oh, this video's taking forever. But you can make it through.
You can do it.
Don't fail. And make sure
Jacob in this video is counting on you.
Make sure to do your homework because you're.
Talk to my future self.
Don't take my saying, bitch.
Alright, I'm James Charles, and if you want to follow me on my makeup journey,
I need to like.
Oh, what did I do?
There's James Charles, and then my Snapchat is James Charles with an extra S at the end.
Hey guys.
If you want to be the next sister shout out,
Wait, how do you
It's okay. Welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
I don't think you did it good.
No.
I forgot how he sounds like, but it's like, ew, I don't like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anywho,
Welcome back to my channel.
dude, why do you? Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, and welcome back to.
Wait, come over here.
Sisters.
Wait, come over here.
It took me so long to learn.
James.
Wait, shh. We're gonna do a little ASMR section. You come over here.
What's going on?
I want to if you hear from different angles, but I'm not really sure if you can. This probably looks really weird. We're just sitting in the parking lot.
Some guy's probably looking at my ass. He's probably like, yes, daddy.
Oh my god, there is a guy outside.
I think I knocked something over. It's okay.
That was good.
Hey, sisters, let's fuck.
I saw an ASMR like where like there was different speakers and you could hear it.
And you hear it from different sides.
I don't know if this happens with my phone
Oh. You like come back to the normal time. Wow, now it feels weird to talk normally.
though. I know.
Anywho, we fucking hate all of you, but like the video.
Like and subscribe, comment. Don't comment. Maybe. I don't know. No one really comments.
No one really watches. If you know you have like more than 50 subscribers, sorry, please shout us out. Oh, shout him out. It's not ours, but
what if Rose is watching this?
it's up, Rose.
Rose has 2,000 subscribers.
Yeah, sis. Jacob needs help.
I'll tag Rose in this video.
Rose, hit me
maybe.
up for collab.
Yeah.
She's in Hawaii.
Take me to Hawaii.
Bye. Bye.
Wait.
Wait, let me click.